Construction worker shot dead at his grandmother's wake in St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 36-year-old construction worker was shot dead at a wake for his grandmother in Jansopen, St. Catherine early Sunday morning. He has been identified as George Joseph, a resident of Jansopen. According to reports, around 12:50 a.m., Joseph was attending a wake for his late grandmother when gunshots erupted. He was later discovered in a fire that had been set up to prepare food for the gathering. Upon closer inspection, it was found that Joseph had sustained a gunshot wound to the left side of his face. The police were summoned and processed the scene. A motive has not yet been established for the killing. The Spanish Town Police are investigating. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.